One of the most beautiful moments in your business life cycle is understanding that you've tapped onto a special money-flowing vein in the corporate world, and your business could have what it takes to grow. However, in order to grow, your business needs strong business continuity contracts and strong legal advice to help best protect it, especially during growth stages, which actually, owing to your split interests and split priorities as a business owner, can make for quite a vulnerable time in your business life cycle. Some of the business continuity contracts we can help with here at Graphene include non-compete agreements, non-disclosure agreements, employment agreements, asset and share purchase agreements if you're choosing to grow your corporation and continue your business through acquiring other corporations. Of course, buyer-seller agreements, partnership agreements, collaborative agreements, and a host of privacy and technology agreements, such as confidentiality and data share agreements, just to name a few. At Graphene Business Law, we have the experience and knowledge required to advance your business interests. We pride ourselves in being tough-minded, dedicated, and persistent. This means that when you work with us here at Graphene, we will do everything legally possible to strengthen your business and advocate for its interest in drafting and negotiating pieces for you. While in very select cases, we take on litigation files as well. In drafting and negotiating your contracts, your experience in working with us will look a little bit like this. First, we're going to start with a free consultation that we offer you. As the principal lawyer and founder here at Graphene Business Law, my name is Pamela Metani, and I will take the time to hear and listen to your business needs and your concerns. After taking the time to listen with you during our initial free consultation, I'll provide a few suggestions on what I think your business should be looking out for, on whether it be in a specific contract or if you're seeking legal advice at large, of course, on which contracts are most strategic to implement at a certain period in time. The solutions I make to you as a lawyer are going to have in mind first and foremost how to best protect and advance your interests and of course your business interests, which most of the time go hand in hand because you've started this business to advance your dreams as the individual behind the corporation or the partnership or the sole proprietorship. Following the free consultation and some of my suggestions, if you decide to work with us, we get hard at work on drafting agreements again that are favorable to you, looking out for your business interests first and foremost. Our timeline is very efficient and quite ahead of industry standards, and on average, we can turn a file around in 1 to 2 weeks. Following you and Graphene Business Law working together, Graphene will issue you, of course, completed copies of any and all documents that you retained us for. Graphene will also issue you a closing letter and a formal receipt that you can use for tax purposes and however else you deem fit as a business owner. As the face behind Graphene, it is imperative for me that you know that Graphene closing a file that we've worked on together does not mean the end of the road with Graphene. Graphene Business Law wants to grow with you and your business long term. That's why we are generous in our approach toward you as a client, and of course, extremely sharp and relentless in our approach toward other parties that you are contracting with, because we want the best for you and we want you to be able to tell that our knowledge and our experience, both with really big international corporations and also local entrepreneurs and every small and medium type of business in between, leads to strong protective results for you and your business. And as an added bonus, repeat customers do get generous discounts here at Graphene because we want to keep working with you. We're not going anywhere. We want to see you succeed. We want you as a client and a business owner to know that we're in your corner, and we want you as a business owner to know that you can feel that ease in working with Graphene and retaining Graphene, that your burden and your stress shifts to us. As mentioned earlier in this video, we're tough-minded, we're dedicated, we're persistent, and we receive extremely positive client feedback because at Graphene, we understand it's not just legal services we're providing, it is strategic business knowledge that we share with you as business owners as well. And of course, as business owners ourselves and myself, I understand very well all the repercussions and details involved in running a business, from the financial to the staff to the cyber and everything in between. All that being said, we really look forward to working with you and helping you protect your business, and through protecting your business, of course, helping protect your dream that started it all.